Hey guys, my name is Mark and I'm with CRT Adventure Gear. Today, I would like to take a few minutes and demonstrate the high quality SP3 KITv1. It's a patent pending ultralight fire starter that conveniently stores inside of a functional ballpoint pen. As such, it's extremely portable, self-contained, and easy to carry almost anywhere. To start off, I need to remove the ferro rod. Simply pull it out of the pen body and then tamp the remaining components into my hand. Now, we can see the tool steel striker, the fire starting tinder, a sandpaper patch, and high quality ferro rod. There are several ways to use the patent pending tinder that's included with the kit, but today we will simply use it as normal. To do that, I'll push the tinder from its paper casing using the ferro rod, and then pull it apart several times to fluff the cotton fibers. Once fluffed, I'll place it where it needs to go, which for this demonstration happens to be a nest of juniper bark. You may have noticed that I fluffed only a portion of the tinder. I'll pack the remaining tinder back into the casing with the ferro rod. Now let's quickly take a look at the striker and ferro rod. The striker is designed for compact effectiveness. As such, it's made from heat-treated tool steel and incorporates a hand-sharpened concave edge. This concave edge is important because it facilitates control and a wide range of effective motion during use. The ferro rod is patent pending and literally keeps it all together by fitting in the end of the pen body. It uses a 3/16 inch diameter, high quality rod that is set deep into the handle, so you don't have to worry about them coming apart in the future. To make sparks, I'll nest the handle of the striker in the first joint of my index finger and hold it with my thumb. Now, I'll orient the sharp edge so it's perpendicular to the face of my thumb. The ferro rod is held the same way, with the other hand. Now is a great time to practice technique, because I need to remove the protective coating from the ferro rod before it produces sparks. So, driving the sharp concave edge directly into the ferro rod, I'll apply pressure while quickly pulling it back and across the edge of the striker. By doing this several times, I scrape away the black coating. It is important to note that there's a balance between the pressure applied by the striker and the speed of the ferro rod. Too slow and the shavings may not ignite. Too little pressure and the effective sparks may not be produced. So once I've removed the protective coating, I'll practice several more times with various levels of pressure and speed to find one that works best. Now I can ignite the fluffed tinder by holding the striker close to it while pulling the ferro rod back, as I did earlier. With the tinder lit, the bark nest quickly follows, and I am well on the way to having a sustained fire. My name is Mark with CRT Adventure Gear, and I appreciate your time. For additional details or to purchase the SP3 KITv1, please follow the link below. Stay safe and have a good one.